Our company is involved in researching a treatment for cancer. And the approach we're taking is a cellular therapy. It's high-tech, and yet it's very simple. We have designed a procedure where we take a small amount of blood from a cancer patient, transform it in the laboratory into tumor-killing cells, expand them to a large quantity, and then provide them back to the same patient when requested by the treating physician. And the idea is that these cells are able to search out, identify, and kill the tumor in the patient, but most importantly, without harming the normal tissues that are in the patient. It's an approach that many others are pursuing, but we have rather a novel twist because we do not apply genetic engineering tools to the process. We simply reprogram the cells to do what basically Mother Nature has already evolved them to do. And we are very excited that the past 5 years of work is coming to fruition, and we are about to go into the clinic at the end of this year. So we expect the next 12 to 18 months to be transformative for us. But the reason I'm here attending the Ritossa conference is because we need the help of family offices and other investors to support what I think is a very worthy and potentially profitable course.
You surpassed COVID very well. What were your key success factors?
I think we were just lucky, to be quite honest. We moved into new laboratory space just before the COVID lockdown. Had we been delayed by several weeks, we would have been trapped in a suboptimal space and limiting our ability to do our work. So that was pure luck. Another element of luck was that we weren't in the clinic yet. Once you go to the clinic and have to access a hospital, you have to abide by all the restrictions that the hospital has. Companies that have been in the clinic already did get impacted, but we are still in that preparation mode where we're not quite yet in the hospital.
And what are your plans for the next 12 months?
I would say the primary objective of our company over the next 12 months is to execution, to successfully prepare for and execute the clinical trial. And if our past results in the laboratory are any indication, we expect to observe activity against the patient cancer in the clinic. And if we achieve that goal, then we are transformed into a totally different company.
And what makes you be here today in Monaco at Sir Anthony's conference?
Well, I think I wasn't familiar with the Ritossa conference before several months ago, to be honest. It's a world that I simply wasn't aware existed. But after being introduced to the conference organizers as well as the attendees, it's clear that it represents a broad swath of the investment community that I think most CEOs are simply not aware of. And so I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be able to present to family funds that have a strategy to support societally important goals, not just to make a profit, although that is important, but also to shape the future.